Sairam to you all, dear children. Today I will be explaining to you part 4 of the chapter entitled First Men on Mount Everest. Prior to that, let us recall what we have understood from part 3 of this chapter. Edmund Hillary, who hails from New Zealand, and Tenzing Norgay, who hails from Nepal, both these men were successful in climbing the summit of Mount Everest. On their way to the summit, they had to face several hurdles, but they didn't mind in facing the hurdles. It is only their determination to achieve success, to reach the summit, helped them in overcoming all the hurdles on their way to the summit. Right? At a height of 27,900 feet, both these men, Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay, put up a tent to relax, but they were awake throughout the night because of bitter cold. But still they were excited and they didn't lose patience. The next morning at 11:30 a.m., they reached the summit and proved to the world that they are capable of achieving anything if pursued with determination. So, of course, they were also equipped with all the necessary things like air containers to breathe on their way and warm clothes which they wore when they reached a height of 27,900 feet. They put up tent and then rested for a while, and as I said, they were awake throughout but still enjoyed. Okay, their other teammates would not join them up to the summit. They stayed back where they chose to stay. Okay, now I will be explaining to you part 4. Okay, class 4, subject English, part 4, chapter 7. Right? Explanation of the 11th paragraph. They stayed at the summit for 15 minutes, took photographs and ate mint cake. Then they climbed slowly and came back down to their tent. So they stayed just for 15 minutes at the summit, took photographs. Photographs of what? The peaks around them, peaks of Himalayas around them, and ate mint cake. Then they climbed slowly and carefully back down to their tent. The two men have become famous. Why they have become famous? Because these are the two men who successfully reached the summit, and these two men wrote books about their adventures. Tenzing Narge lived in Darjeeling, where he trained people to climb mountains. Edmund Hillary went back to the Himalayas many times. So Edmund Hillary went back to Himalayas many times as he liked going to Himalayas quite often, frequently. Okay. So here is the picture of the two men, Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Narge. Here is Edmund Hillary and here is Tenzing Narge. Right? See, Edmund Hillary with a smile is looking at Tenzing Narge. Are you all able to observe? Now, explanation of 13th paragraph. Today, with modern equipment and with the help of Sherpa guides, climbing Mount Everest is not as difficult as it was in 1952. So, with the advancement in technology, Mount Everest to climb is not as difficult as it was in 1952. Each year, teams of climbers try to reach the summit. Thousands of people have tried to climb Mount Everest, but only a few succeeded. So many people had the ambition to climb Mount Everest, rather reach to the summit of the Everest, but only few have succeeded in reaching the summit. So here is a picture of some people who are climbing the Mount Everest. Summary of the video. They stayed at the summit for 15 minutes, took photographs and ate mint cake. The two men have become famous. They both wrote books about their adventure. Tenzing Narge lived in Darjeeling, where he trained people to climb mountains. Edmund Hillary went back to Himalayas many times. Today, with modern equipment and with the help of Sherpa guides, climbing Mount Everest is not as difficult as it was in 1952. Thousands of people have tried to climb Mount Everest, but only a few have succeeded. Right? Understood? Here are a few questions relating the video. How many minutes did they stay at the peak of Mount Everest? Question number 2. How did the two men become famous? Where did Tenzing live and what was his profession? Climbing Mount Everest is not as difficult as it was in 1952. Why? Give reason. Only a few have succeeded to climb Mount Everest. Why? Answer all these 5 questions. Let us meet up in the next session. Jai Sai Ram. Have a good day.